So we talked about essentially sort of the software development process. Does any of it matter? Really, does any of it matter? So guys, there's like 24 software development methodologies. All of them sort of involve the same core processes, but there's a lot of them out there. There's a lot. So the core activities of them, again, are the ones we've already talked about. So, gathering requirements, testing, implementation, maintenance, /debugging, design. All those are sort of the core requirements of any methodology. Do they matter? If you're an SDE or a software designer, yeah, absolutely, they all matter. Like, that's your job, If you're someone that's trying to just get your feet wet and get into it, which I'm hoping most of you are, some of them matter more than others. For now, while you're starting, some do. Again, we're going to assume most of you guys are the latter. That's people that are just trying to get into programming and not drink from a fire hose or get lost in translation or anything like that. I've outlined them here in order of importance. So, gathering requirements, again, number one. Implementation is the second most important because you should be writing code. You should be getting the process down in your mind. You should be learning the language, learning the syntax, learning the semantics, okay? Maintenance is the third most because learning these good habits are critical to help you code better and more defensively in the future. Again, the initial design will become more important. Actually, it will overtake the implementation as the second most important step as you get more comfortable in the language, as you learn the language, know and understand the language. But software design is also more of an art form. Again, this good design happens over time, happens with experience. Nobody cranks out awesome designs the first time. People go to school to learn about software design. It's to me, it's a learned skill, but you will learn it. Testing. Again, TDD is just another methodology. It's not a requirement. Again, focus on writing code, even if it's bad code. When you get more experience, try to write some unit tests. Try to include some, even if they're not good, even if you haven't gotten the hang of writing tests, because really the last sentence is key. Crappy or poor unit tests are better than no tests at all. So they show you tried. You can always add them later. Again, TDD forces you to write the tests first, but that doesn't mean you can't go back and write them later, okay?